Hi, so this video here is looking at section A down to the first fill in straight ahead rock. So what I'll do is I'll break down the piece into little chunks, then put it all back together so you get a play through. So the main groove that you've got is just this. Okay, sorry, my bass drum pedal had fallen down. That is the main groove you've got. Okay, now you play that 3 times, although the first one has a crash. 2, here's 3, and then the next bar it's just the same, but it's got an extra bass drum. So after those 2 bass drums, there's an extra 1. So okay, and that's the 4th bar in the piece. Then go back to the normal one with just 2 bass drums another 3 times. Again. Again. And then we're at the fill bar, which is just a crash, which you play your bass with every time. So crash, snare, tom. Yeah, so. Okay, that's the fill, right? It's very straightforward. So your groove, remember, it's just 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So hi-hat plays 8, bass drum plays 1, and then 4, 5. Snare plays 3 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and then obviously on that one where you've got extra bass drum, 4, 5, 6 for your bass drums. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so that's it all kind of broken down a wee bit. I'm going to play that whole thing now. So this is just the beginning of section A all the way down to just that first bar fill. Okay, here we go. Extra one. Now we're at the fill. Okay, so that's that down to the first time fill. Now we're going to look ahead here just to the second time fill. So obviously once you've played that fill at number 1, crash, snare, crash, bap, bap, bum, you go back to the beginning of A and play all the way down again, but then you don't play number 1, you play number 2, which I'll explain for you now. And it's just snare, high tom, low tom, crash. And then you've got snare, high tom, 4 tom. When you put those 2 together, okay, then the next 2 bars are very simple. We've got a crash and bass drum and 3 hi-hats. And then an extra bass drum right after that 3rd hat. So you're like 2, 3, 4 bass. And then the next bar starts off with a bass and a hi-hat. We've got 3 hi-hats all together. 1, 2, 3, snare. So when you put that together, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Do that one more time. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's that from the second time fill down to the end of part B, those extra 3 bars. So use this to help you practice at home. If I've only said to you to stop at the first fill, stop there, don't look ahead, and see you in your next lesson. Okay, bye bye.